Well, I'm in short of good words because I'll have to give a speech then. And it'll take me about 10 minutes if I start talking about you.
Both of you, like Medusa, and of course you're rocking.
Yeah, Medusa is, I think, the only exhibition I come to.
Brand association with Medusa has bring wonders, and my page has today only just in a day they got 200 likes.
Something very nice she has done. It's an amazing transformation in the field of exhibitions that Sonal has done. So Medusa rocks. Thank you.
It's very encouraging for new designers and upcoming ones.
She's like inspiration for me. Like I want to hug her again.
Thanks for stalking me, and I'm glad that all the mad and crazy stuff I've been posting on Facebook has been helped to this girl over here. Soon, there's something big coming up in her life. Yeah.
Medusa by Sonal is an awesome exhibition. You must visit.
It's always fun to be part of Medusa. Sonal rocks each time.
Hi, this is Rekha Chawla. My daughter Shilka Chawla has been with Medusa since the beginning, and it's always rock.
In fact, I bought a suit for my mom.
Oh, wow, lovely. You're such a nice daughter.
The designers are always picked up. Medusa has always been wonderful, and this year has been more fantastic than ever, and we've had a great response.
Also, we are providing some exclusive Kaya discount voucher.
Well, it's been almost 2.5 years
Yeah.
with Medusa, and the journey's been fantastic.
I'm here with the Gen X designers from Whistling Woods.
I feel that this is a really good opportunity for the students. This is a great platform, and we didn't know this Medusa will be like so huge.
It's a really good platform. I have already sold few of my garments, so it's really pleasing.
Wow.
One of my favorite collections of the year,
Look at the detailing.
and it's all based on pleating and drapes.
My brand name is Ristori, and we are introducing our Evil Eye bracelets, Turkish Evil Eye bracelets.
The finishing is very good. Very good.
Thank you. Firstly, I'll say you are a wonderful person,
Okay.
and I love you for this.
But when we come to Medusa, we end up getting even a extended client base from Faridabad, from Meerut. People have come down from Jalandhar and Ludhiana only for this one-day event. So I'm really surprised, how they have been able to pull up such amazing crowd and all serious buyers.
Medusa has given her a platform with the launch pad.
We couldn't have got a better platform than this, and we were expecting something, but we got beyond that.
The response is phenomenal. People are really loving our collection.
I just have to say that my friend Sonal Jindal always rocks, and so do as Medusa.
Thank you, love. Thank you.
She said
And
it all. She said it all.
always rocking as ever. And I've been shopping. My money is over. And she looks amazing as always.
People really understand Western wear when they come to Medusa.
It's been a very good and very welcoming experience, but today at Medusa I've actually felt it a lot more. It's become a double-fold experience and I'm so happy to be here.
It's been a year we've been participating and it's always a good show for us.
Delhi is totally loving it.
Medusa has been always great. Sonal always puts up great show.